The Abarth 600e gate crashes the growing EV hot hatch segment with an Alfa Junior Veloce-derived electric powertrain and striking looks. It's a small Latin shopping rocket showing us that the electric era might be rather fun after all. My name's Jonathan Crouch. I've been testing cars for over 40 years. You'll find them all on the Car and Driving Car Review app. Here, I'm going to try and tell you everything you really need to know about this one in a way you'll find nowhere else. Let me hand you over to our presenter, Colin.
Changing the cuddly Disney-style looks of the donor Fiat 600e model to create the street racer vibe of this Abbath can't have been the work of a moment, but stylists from this little Italian brand really went about it with purpose. You'll need to like the cute, rather endearing vibe of that original Fiat to like it, but if you do, then you might agree with us that this is an EV hot hatch with more than its share of pavement presence. Will it be as extrovert inside? Let's take a look. Well, it all feels satisfyingly sporty, doesn't it? But that's only if you stretch to this top Scorpionissima model, which gains these lovely body-hugging heated racing Seatbelt seats with perforated Alcantara and Scorpion Flage upholstery. The aluminium pedals and special floor mats of this pricier variant also set the right tone. Rather less welcome is the slightly cringy Mind the Scorpion branding on the central tunnel cover and the driver's side of the matte black dash panel, another thing you only get with Scorpionissima trim. The base Abarth 600e gets a lot less love inside, front seats that are merely sporty, and a yellow-stitched 3-spoke sports steering wheel with thumb indents and a 12 o'clock marker, apart from branded kick plates, acid green themed displays and bespoke instrument graphics. That's about it. Like all the buttons and stalks, the 10.3-inch central infotainment screen is pretty much the same as you'd get in the equivalent Fiat, except that here a special Abbath performance segment has been added. Time as ever to take a look in the rear, where this really does feel like a car at the smaller end of the super mini size scale. There's really not that much legroom at all, and as an adult your knees are going to be uncomfortably pressed against the angled front seat backs if the folk ahead of you happen to be long of leg. Let's finish with a look in the boot, which is the only place you have to store the charging leads because the e-CMP 2 platform doesn't allow for an underbonnet frunk. You get a power tailgate on this Scorpionissima model, and once it raises, a 360-litre space is revealed, 40 litres less than the similarly engineered Alfa Junior Veloce. The 54 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, of which 51 kilowatt-hours is usable, replenishes at a modest 100 kilowatts, which is 50 kilowatts down on the MG4 X-Power and 85 kilowatt down on the Volkswagen ID.3 GTX, but on a par with the Mini Aceman JCW. With this Abbath, a public DC fast charge from 20 to 80% takes 27 minutes. AC charging from 0 to 100% from a 7.4 kilowatt home wall box takes 8 hours and 15 minutes, or 5 hours and 30 minutes from a 3-phase 11 kilowatt wall box. With a car like this, it's not how fast you go, but how fast it can bring a grin to your face. And this Abbath does that pretty rapidly. You'll have to like the suspension's fairly unyielding firmness, but hot hatch folk, and particularly Abbath hot hatch folk, tend not to mind too much about that. These people will like this car's sheer chuckability through the bends, where the Torsen diff means there's plenty of cornering traction. There are a few things we'd change though. The Scorpionissima model's faster 280 horsepower motor and much of this top version's extra equipment should be standardised, and this pricier version's EV sound system feature should be included on the Turismo version most will choose. Plus, this car isn't quite as special as it should be inside, especially with base trim. If you can live with those caveats though, there are quite a few enjoyable Latin lessons to be had here.